Hey guys,
Hi.
Welcome to Minsk in Belarus. We are in a really cool neighborhood. This is called Oktober Street.
Sometimes called the hipster area.
Yes, and I'm calling it Oktober Street because the name in Russian and Belarusian is a little bit tricky. So I'll put it up on the screen, but in English it translates to Oktober Street. And not that long ago, this area was not full of color like it is now. It was really just old buildings and factories. And in 2014, a group of Brazilian artists came to work alongside Belarusian artists, and they just, I don't know what the right word is,
Completely
but they transformed it completely. And now when you're walking around, you see tons of murals, graffiti, color everywhere, and it feels like a really creative, inspiring place. And this mural behind us was done by one of those Brazilian artists, and it depicts different animals that you find in Belarus, including bison, really one of the symbols of this country. And it's 3,000 square meters, this mural.
Just immense.
It's absolutely enormous. So we're gonna walk around and see more of Oktober Street. It's snowing now.
Another feature I love of this neighborhood are these food trucks. There's a bunch of them and they have great names like What Soup. And I just love that van.
I know.
I just want to go road tripping.
There's a food bus as well. Which is pretty cool. Oh yeah, we'll go over there next.
Okay.
Yeah. All kinds of food trucks, and this neighborhood, well this street really, it's called Oktober Street because mainly it's this street that flows through.
Yep.
And most of the businesses, not all, but most of them are off that street. Some of the best food we've had in Minsk is here. So if you want to eat well, go to some nice places, you have to come to Oktober Street. Yeah, and these food trucks just look so nice. In the summer, can you imagine?
Oh,
just be
glorious.
So nice. Yeah, we'll have to come back when it's not snowing.
I know. Do you have a certain mural here that stands out to you?
Yes, we're just walking along and we found Frida Kahlo. And if you've watched our videos for a while, you know that we are big Frida fans. We made a whole bunch of videos about Frida, which I'll link. And it's so cool to see Frida up here on this wall in Belarus. Something that you can't miss, really because it stands out so much on Oktober Street, is right behind us. That is a bust of Lenin. It's not uncommon to come across statues like this in Minsk. The most famous one, of course, is absolutely, oh look, cute, the bust. I love that bus. That's a really cute bus. I was gonna say bus. It's a really cute bus. Vintage style, of course, that used to be all around the city, and now you can go for little city tours of them. And I just feel happy every time I see them.
I just love cute. The look of it.
Yeah. Anyway, back to the bust. No, but it is really interesting and something unique, obviously. Belarus was, of course, part of the Soviet Union formerly, and unlike many other countries that were part of the Soviet Union, they have not torn down these kinds of statues. And very interesting, of course, to see it here in a place now where there's so much color, to see a statue of Lenin. One thing you'll definitely notice in this neighborhood is that the scale feels completely different to the rest of Minsk, which is a huge scale, big buildings, big distances, and here it has more of a coziness, which Mark and I quite like. And you also find historic buildings. Unfortunately, Minsk has a lot of conflict in its history. It has been basically completely destroyed 17 times. The last time was World War II, when the whole city was basically leveled and had to be completely rebuilt. So it's really a treasure to find buildings that survived all of that. This building is from 1907, and when you know the history of Minsk and how much it has survived, it is so much more meaningful to find it here. sun has gone down, as you can see. Mark and I are feeling hungry, so we're going to get something to eat. And on the way to the restaurant, which is called Let It Be, by the way, great Beatles song, there's a little courtyard here behind the main street. And there's little tables set up here and lights, and I'm sure when it's maybe not snowing, it's a lovely place to just sit. But because it's so cold, we want to be inside, so that's where we're heading now. Starting to thaw a little bit, and this place serves all-day breakfast, so I love it already. Mark and I both ordered the same thing, Eggs Benedict with spinach and prosciutto. Looks so good, so I can't wait to dig into this. And I really hope that you guys have enjoyed seeing around this amazing neighborhood in Minsk. I really think, I mean, there's so much to love in this city, but I really feel good here. So if you're in Minsk, definitely come to Oktober Street and see what you find. Give the video a like if you enjoyed it, and make sure you subscribe for lots more travel adventures, and we'll see you in our next video. Bye!